them a robot. Like me and I get tabs. What this? And now I'm going to put on my essential tool, my Skyline Fitness Solution belt. I wear it every day when I'm working out. The bird. I wear it every day. One time.
What? 20 years. Okay.
Oh, can't do that. The rope here. We keep my hand and go.
Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Non-stop. Then when you're ready. Right.
What's gone?
One, you have 30 seconds left. Keep going, keep going. One. Come here, 20 seconds left. Now give it up, now give it up. Go.
Yes, Safi?
Slow.
Body on
Go
back.
on. One man, you have 10 seconds. Don't stop counting. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go, go, go. 3 seconds left. 2 seconds. Go on, Malika.
Me, I get you. You go.
Right, tell when to start. I'm tired.
Come on.
Another rope. How much time look like? I need motivation. You hit a line. Across down one up there. Woo! Don't need.
And then man, what's up?
I believe.
More than enough. Oh, ready? Go. Jesus, you're all I need.
How much?
You know, pick up your black.
25 seconds. Keep going, keep going. 15 seconds. You can do this. Come on, 10 seconds. Jump through. Speed it up, the last 5. One more round, it's your last one.
Alright, what's the try? We're 50. We're going.
Ready? 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes, you know, come on, catch him in the drop back and bossy for it.
The open.
Yeah. Okay, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go, Mr. 9, 10. So that first, because we're not ready. Then that will probably put them, and then this one. So now we do the second one. 20, 15, 10.
Yeah.
We're going to do it one behind the other.
Alright, yeah. And that's about 1 round.
Yes.
So, I put it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Stop right now. Hold it. Come again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it. Oh gosh. Whoa! Come again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait for what again? My last one. What do you pulse?
Pulse at 20.
What?
Pulse at 20, we just a fit feel. This at 10, ready?
Come on, then we mix this up and sing it up.
Come, 1, 2, 3,
4,
5, 6,
7,
8,
9. Shit, that's what then. 21 hard one. Sure, when you go down, lean.
lean forward with your squat.
So look, anytime I look up, it kind of help you. Go back a little bit more.
Ready? And you're supposed to rest in
20 and then we done.
Ready?
Where you 25, then 15, then all do 5, then all. Yeah, then 5, then all. Right.
So you hold for 3 seconds. So 5, hold for 3, 5, hold for 3, 5, hold for 3.
You know, put them on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold for 3. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold for 3,
5, 1, 2.
3, 4, 5.
Dad, I hurt a little.
Yo.
Put them mash up.
With the thing that one there. So. Hear that man just crack up.
Go back one more time. Social distance. Put that up.
Stay with it. Give me another level.
You want me to let me do because I say I drink. I drink not in the man.
Get more sweat.
Oh.
You know what? Squat down. Up.
Yeah, do.
Just stretch them out, you know.
Stretch them
Out good.
They were peeing up.
Alright, show them.
Now the foot.
Yeah, go down. Come. Leg.
Go,
Push
go.
back. Pull forward.
To the side.
Hands. Rotate the wrist. Flex under. Yeah. Wait. Side. Forward. Move your bone. Rotate the arm at the same time. Same leg. Answer.
I said that I did the same.
Next leg now up.
Out. Point. Go. You look like we're dancing. I'm looking at camera. Alright.
Groin stretch. Until next time.
I'm your girl Malika, and this is my co-host. And this is my co-host. And this is my co-host. Está bien.